All right. Hey, welcome to the PPPC show. I am here with Jenny LeBricon. She is the manager of business development at LevelWear here, and LevelWear is an incredible company. I'm learning so much about them today. Jenny, thanks for having me in your booth today.
You're
it's
welcome.
so exciting to be here.
Yeah, we're really excited to be here too. It's our first time at the Top show, so it's really exciting.
Hey, will you give me a little booth tour and let me know what's new and what's exciting? But before we do that, Jenny, talk to me about this line, because you're a little bit different than most of the garment suppliers that are here at the Top show here in Toronto today, right? You guys do things differently. You have a retail presence. It's magical what you guys are doing. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, so LevelWear is a golf and athleisure company.
Okay.
We are really present in the golf world at the pro shops.
Yes.
We also do licensing, so the Toronto Raptors, or if you go watch a Leafs game or a Habs game, because I'm from Montreal, you will also find LevelWear in the store there. And then we have a whole now new section just for the promo world, the corporate sales.
Okay.
And it was really a great fit for us because we have great products, great designs, and great decorating abilities that all done in-house. So we're a Canadian-based company, family-owned in Toronto.
Okay.
And everything is done in-house, everything is decorated in-house, and we do great stuff such as like the plaquettes, for example. So this is something we're really known for. It's adding decorating on the inner part of the buttons of the polo. We also do that on quarter zips.
So Jenny, I want to actually ask you about this. So prior to this, I had never heard this word plaquette.
Yeah.
I never even knew about it, and yet I'm seeing this design here, this gorgeous logo, let alone that. And then if you're wearing it on a golf course, or you're wearing it, you unzip a little bit, you look stylish, and you've got this logo that's showing up there.
Yeah.
That's fabulous. And, and are you the only ones that are doing that?
We are the only ones that are doing that right now, and it's that's so much cooler than just every day or on the golf course. Like imagine being on a Zoom call.
Yes.
Like right now, your logo will show a lot more than here, but it's still like discreet and nice. One of the things I love about decorating products for our industry is to make the product look customized for the brand.
Yeah.
Instead of making the product looking decorated with the logo added.
Ooh, okay,
so you know what I mean? So when someone buys like a polo shirt and you just put the logo on it, like it's just like a decorated shirt now with the logo.
Yeah, you
but
almost forget the logo's there because you've seen it so many times.
But when you manage to like incorporate it into the item, suddenly the item looks customized, made for your brand. Especially when you find the right item with the right pattern and the right color that's gonna match, your brand. So if you take again that red one, just adding a little bit of their red, their white, and the black of the logo within the product, and now it's built in, is a great way to just customize your product without having to customize the product. All of that is done in-house with small minimums of only 36 pieces.
Oh, 36 pieces.
Yeah, to get that customized look.
Holy smokes. Now, inventory is always a challenge, right, in our industry, especially with Chinese New Year happening right now, supply chain issues, COVID shutdowns. Talk to me about inventory. Is it easy to get inventory from LevelWear, or is it a challenge? Given that you make in Canada, there must always be inventory available.
Yeah, so we do bring the stock from overseas decorated in Canada, but we went really heavy in inventory. We're a big sponsor of the PGA Tour. We can pull from that inventory as well. So inventory in general for us is not a problem. We do have very deep inventory, especially in the corporate styles. So like, when you go for a true trusted, like solid polo, we have plenty, way more than you need. And then even on the fashion colors. So if you take like the cool fashion colors of the year, the cool designs, we'll have them, and you have access to them on the promo side as well. So that's what's amazing, and without any limits. So the difference is that the fashion styles, they'll stay in the line 1 year.
Yes.
And then the next year, we'll have something else new and fresh. So they're not great for programs or repeats, but they're great for that one order, that tournament, or that gift you want to do for your employees or your clients that year. And you want to be really on brand.
Yes.
And you want it to be what the athletes are wearing out there. And we do sponsor a lot of athletes, so it's great to be able to wear the same thing as some of the most famous athletes out there. It's really cool.
So let me get this right then. So here's the deal. So many companies, they have retail brands. and those retail brands give them a limited amount of stock, right? Here you go, here's the Nike, and so someone goes to buy it. I'm sorry, there's no more stock. Nike only gave us X amount.
Yeah.
And what you're saying is you appear on the PGA Tour, you appear in pro shops all over the place, and there's no limit to what people have access to.
Exactly.
We're not going to cut it off. Here, you want the PGA stuff? Here it is.
Here it is.
Served up to you.
Exactly. No limit on the inventory, the stock. We don't reserve anything for PGA versus, like golf season versus promo. Everyone has the same access, and we just go really heavy in the inventory.
I love this company. Do you not love this company? I mean, this is super cool. Now, this is all the corporate wear. I love it. You've got great colors. You've got great selection. Will you walk me over, pardon me, and show me the fashion line?
Yeah,
I saw that as I walked in, and I was just amazed by the colors.
I'll show you. Actually, even here, first, quickly, we have like some of the athleisure, more like, like fun athleisure styles.
That is gorgeous.
This is like from the women's collection. I wore that yesterday for setup. This is the most comfortable shirt I own, and yet it's like one of the most stylish. I love this style. Comes in different colors
Fabulous.
as well. So we do have a lot of this fun athleisure woman style. The same that you see in blue there, you also have it in black. And I think these days, one of the things we've been doing is telling people you don't have to go with a matchable. We over the time where ladies had to get the same boring polo as the men were getting.
Yes.
We don't want to wear that. We want to wear something fun and different and cool materials and a different cut for us. We want the details.
And I mean, I noticed this hood on here as well, and you've got the pattern built into the hood. It is stunning.
And all our products are designed to be decorated. So anything that you see, you can decorate it, whether it's like an embroidery, a raised rubber, the plaquettes, or different ways to always brand it, and again, make it look really on brand for your client. They'll be proud to give that to their employees or to their clients. So we have like a lot of really cool designs just for the ladies. And then in the fashion, I'll show you there, we have mainly some of the new men fashion. So, I say like, I'm not a golfer, but I have to follow golf now. The fashion for golf is going to bold colors and patterns.
Yes.
So before it wasn't like that. I compare it to remember tennis when Agassi came on and everyone would wear like white and he had the neon colors?
I remember that,
This is what's happening, I think, in golf right now. So we have a lot more like crazy patterns that you can access. Not everyone will want to wear that, but you know what? Like the athletes
I would wear that. 100% I would wear that.
I love that. That works so well if you want a bit more of a muted color, but with the same pattern.
Super.
This is great. Imagine this for any company in the promo side that has like a bubbly company.
Yep.
You work with like any soft drink or anything like that.
Bubbly.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Right? Or is it bubbly? 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 I don't know.
He would say it's bubbly.
He would say it's bubbly. That is awesome.
They're sleeping on that because this is awesome. You have also the kind of marbled look.
Yes.
And it comes in so many different colors. I didn't bring every color, by the way.
Of course, yeah.
So some of them are here. I didn't bring everything. The catalog is quite big. And again, like Promo has access to all of that. But we did put a selection together for corporate. When you want like simple, matchable, goes in like deep inventory, very easy to order, and we'll be in the line for 3 to 5 years, so you don't have to worry about it.
What a godsend.
Or you just shop and have fun. Or you go to like any pro shop and look at the products and let your customers pick from there. That's as easy as that with LevelWear. It's really an awesome company.
Jenny, I am so thrilled to have caught up with you. Jenny is an industry veteran. She is unbelievable at what she does. This company is blowing my mind. Access to inventory, fashion lines, unbelievable colors, beautiful designs. I mean, the list goes on. And then you throw in that decorating capability that I've never seen anywhere else. Plaquette?
Plaquettes, yeah.
Plaquettes. I'm going to have to learn that. P-L-A, I don't know, C-K-E-T-S?
Yes, that's
I don't
right.
know. Okay, I got it right.
See, we also don't have, I don't know where I put the sample, I don't want to hold you too long, but we do also do the hood liner.
Okay.
So on some of the hoodies, we could get like the whole inside could be like a hood liner, which is something also when you think of like corporate needs and logos and making an item look customized.
Yes.
Taking your icon from the logo, step and repeat inside the hood, and then you have like an item that looks like it's been built for your brand instead of decorated. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Are French people not always the most fashionable people in the world? Huh? Jenny,
That's the
I want
only
to thank
reason
you.
they hired me. Yeah.
I want to thank you for your time,
Yeah.
for your expertise. This is an awesome line.
Yeah,
I
thank
can't wait to see this just absolutely explode. And I know you're already doing it. People know about it. People are using it.
Yeah, we're really lucky. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks again for your time, Jenny, and we'll catch you again soon.
Yeah, thank
All right,
you.
cheers.
Bye.
See you guys.